Hey guys, Kaiju here, and today I'm going to be doing a different kind of video. I'm actually going to be unboxing a Jurassic World figure. Yes, I'm unboxing a Jurassic World figure. This is something I haven't done in a while, and if I did do it, the video is probably deleted now. But we're going to be unboxing the Troodon today from Camp Cretaceous, apparently. We're going to put the box to the side and actually get to the main figure, which is just in some little plastic. And yeah, there we go. He's not that bad if I'm going to be completely honest. It's a bit stiff, but... Oh, come on, open. There we go, okay. And getting him down on the ground like that, he actually looks really menacing. For those of you unaware, this is a figure that has been kind of floating around for a while now, but there's not a ton of information about it, or there wasn't a ton of information about it until a couple of months ago, when I believe someone found it in Germany. And back then it was just in the Primal Attack box, it wasn't in the Camp Cretaceous box. But Mattel have been putting everything in the Camp Cretaceous box now, so that's pretty cool. Everything gets to be in Camp Cretaceous, even if it's not actually in Camp Cretaceous. There isn't really much else to say, just wanted to kind of make a video unboxing him. I saw him at Target and he was a kind of small price, so I decided to pick him up. Plus, I like getting new dinosaurs, especially from Mattel. Kaiju Haul will probably be coming soon, if I can get another figure in. It's gonna be a couple days till I do, but... you know, when it gets here, I'll make a video about it. So thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.